What's up, guys? So today this is the first video of the sport or dirt motorsport channel, and my name's Grant.
My name's Lee.
And let's get on with this first video.
So today we are going to be doing, first off, a circle track, and we're going to go out and ride in the fields and stuff and have a little bit of fun, pop wheelies, have fun together. Then actually behind you right now is a big open, it's kind of a homemade track right now, and we're going to be riding and testing it out today. So be tuned.
So yeah, what happened was I was trying to pass Blake on the left, and the dirt bike tire slid, and it just flew me down. I'm okay, everyone's alright in the video, but just kind of unfortunate. My dirt bike bent the rim, so I'm done for right now, but they are gonna keep riding for a little bit at least. So we'll give you a little more content, if you can hear me. We'll give you a little more content. But yeah, flying on the four-wheeler, that's Blake. And then this is Lake on the dirt bike. Oh, wheelies. In case anyone's wondering, that is a 2004 Honda 250, but it is bored out. I'm not sure exactly how much horsepower and how many cc's it is, but it is a beast. Whoa! Woo! Let's go.
Ready?
Yep. River run.
Four-wheel drive.
Oh, good idea.
Oh yeah. You want to go through the water?
Yeah.
My one figure feet up.
Yep. Blake, what is he doing? They're both going through the river. Nighttime river ride. We are at the sand pit, mud hole, whatever you want to call it. Showing off a two-wheel drive. It's crazy. It's different each time. Yeah, he even has new back tires. Coming up the hill. Ooh. Uh-oh. Are you gonna make it up? Give her some more gas. Oh boy. Come on. Uh-oh. We don't want to put two vehicles in. Look out, Kona. Oh boy. It's a good thing those have four-wheel drive. Oh! Yeah, he's throwing it. Might be a good spot to get stuck at. Oh, four-wheel drive is so helpful. It's in two-wheel. Found it! Oh, going from the side. Oh, the drift. Just moving.
What?
I'm gonna hop on.
Alright.
Alright.
You gonna record this?
Yeah, we're gonna record going through. What it's like.
You gonna send it?
Let's do a slow crawl first, and then we can send it.
Like 2 miles an hour?
Yeah. Yeah, I like this speed. Oh, it's more smoky. Get the exhaust hot. Dude, you're crazy. We're moving right through. Blake going through, just easy does it.
Oh!
Now we're with Blake. Cruising. Oh! We are stuck. Oh no, we have buried it. We have buried it. Oh no. I gotta show you. Yeah. Dude, I gotta turn the flashlight on. Oh my, we are up to the frame. Oh wait. What? You're stuck? Oh no! We've got two stuck four-wheelers. Oh. No. Oh my goodness. I do hear it. Oh no. That's not good at all. The CV axle might be broken. look at it.
Oh, okay, you can't see it. It's got boots on it.
Oh.
Move.
There we go.
It's that tire. I've seen I wiggle it. Oh yeah.
Oh.
She is toast.
That's a rip in the chat.
Well,